Okay, we have here, you can see we've already applied the prosthetics, and we'll show later how those are made, but you can also see the glitter on top. And we used a hybrid with one of the glitter primers just right over the prosthetic. She has a pretty good amount of latex under there, so we went ahead and used the glitter primer with the hybrid right over it. Seemed to work well. So I'm just going over and dabbing a little bit of the glitter primer over her makeup and then adding on that hybrid glitter. I think we used what's called a white whisper in a chunky flake. That's one of our newer ones. It gives a really nice multiple tone shimmer. So next we're working on the hair. She had gorgeous curls worked in by Sarah, and we're just using that for more volume in photos. Next we're going over her skin, and we're using a white face paint, body paint, just to kind of take her skin tone down a bit and also cover some of her tattoos. Not entirely. We wanted to show some of it, but just bring down the tone a little bit so they're not as strong, so it's not taking away from the prosthetics and the makeup. So we went over a good majority of her body and her face with that first. I do want to note you want to do the prosthetics first, just because the prosthetics will not stick over that face paint. We also noticed that it didn't really stick on the pasty, so no fabric. Don't try to put any of the spirit glue or spirit gum, whatever you have, don't put it on fabric. We had a lot of the stars and pieces come off. So you'll see Sarah and me, we're just going over with an eyeshadow just to blend out some of the color here. And we're bringing it down and mixing in a couple colors to bring in a little bit more depth. So this is the final shot here, and one on the beach.